I got a box. Of course, you already know what's in it. So the story was, I put up all my lights, all 3 of my trees outside, and it didn't even dawn on me that there was 2 separate lights for each tree. One tree was dedicated for a certain sets of lights, and the other tree was had predetermined lights on it also. So I put it all on. Of course, I didn't test anything because I know everything works. And when I did flip everything on, everything did work. So turned everything on, went outside, and I went, wow. And then I went, dope! I put the wrong lights on the wrong tree. So my big balsam hill tree, from top to bottom, gets the slow twinkles, where the other tree, the live tree, the green giant arborvitae, that got M5 strobes for its lights, besides the regular M5 steady warm whites. So the issue is, 2/3 of the balsam hill tree has strobes, and the top third has slow twinkle. And it would have been way too much effort and work to take it all off and redo it. So I just says, all I got to do is just finish the top third and be done. That required me getting more lights. My next thought was, where did I buy them from? And I hope they still sell them, and or somebody has them and still makes them, because there's only one place that has the M5 strobe LED strings, commercial stringers, and that is from ChristmasLEDs.com. The only place that has them. Now there's other places that has the slow twinkles. They call them under, they name them under different categories and stuff like that, but it's the same thing. Only one place has these, and of course I bought what I needed plus extras, just in case I get to that time where something happens to them and they fail, or a problem occurs. I can just replace them, or at least have enough stuff to fix them. And then I had to, when I ordered them, of course there's different flavors of them. Did I get the 12-inch spacing? Did I get the 6-inch spacing? So I had to go out and measure, and I got the 6-inch spacing, because I like density of lights. So that's what we got. Let's see, what do we got here? Indoor, outdoor. Beautiful. Proposition 65 warning, blah, blah, blah. Causes cancer for anybody in California. Okay, anything special on these? Nothing special, blah, 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 blah. So these guys are blah, 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 blah. Let's see. So these are rated at 0.04 amps. And these were 6th of 2021. So these are, to me, new old stock. So they'll probably match up to the ones that I have. So let's plug them in, see what they do. Of course, I don't think I had a video on these. I did have a video on the slow twinkles. Oh yeah. Strobe effect. Strobe effect. For those who are sensitive, don't look. Oh baby. Woo! And let me tell you, for what I did on the big balsam hill tree, even though there's only 2/3 of it, Let me tell you, with the other lights, the incandescent lights, the C7 lights, the RGB strip, and the other little tchotchkes that are on there, the tree sparkles like fireworks. Can you just imagine a 12-foot tree with all of these going? On top of that, the big strobes. Amazing. At least I can say it looks a little different for Christmas season of 2023. And more than likely, probably what I'll do is I'll permanently make the big Balsam Hill tree for a few years, all of these strobes. Because the other tree, it's I had enough lights. Of course, I had to buy more because I didn't realize my mistake for the other tree. But I only needed one set to finish it. So it didn't dawn on me, like I said, I just figured that, well, the live tree got bigger, so it needed more lights, but I didn't realize my mistake until I plugged everything in and went, oh, wow, oh, dear, no! So, that's it for the M5 strobes. Of course, they come in a couple of different flavors. I think they come in red and green, and blue and white, and I didn't see any warm white, so check out their website. They still have them, and of course, if you stick around long enough, a lot of the lights they put on huge discounts at the end of the year, and they'll have it from, I think, sometime in January for a couple of weeks. Whatever they got left, they mark them down. I don't know how much percent, but might as well say at least you get 20%, 30%, sometimes 40%. That's what most of these places stick to. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.